Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best kitchen step ladder is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any home, especially for those who find themselves reaching for items on higher shelves in their kitchen. Imagine effortlessly grabbing that rarely used spice jar from the top cabinet or safely retrieving your favorite mug from the highest rack without precarious balancing acts or the need for assistance. This simple yet ingenious device can transform your kitchen experience, making everyday tasks smoother, safer, and more convenient, ensuring that no culinary aspiration is out of reach. Number 5. HBTower Folding Step Ladder. Introducing the HBTower Folding Step Ladder, designed for your convenience. It offers a sturdy and reliable solution for reaching new heights. This step stool comes fully assembled and folds down to a mere 1.6 inches. It's incredibly easy to carry and store, perfect for use anywhere. Constructed with a high-grade steel frame, it ensures strength and reliability. A metal safety buckle automatically locks it in place for secure use. Enjoy a secure climb with the non-slip hand grip and wide pedals. The large rubber feet provide excellent stability and protect your floors. No assembly required. This ladder is ready to go right out of the box. Simply unfold, lock, and use with confidence. We are here to help with 24-hour customer service. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. This step ladder offers a secure safety lock for peace of mind. Its wide anti-slip pedals ensure stable footing. If you prioritize maximum safety and stability for everyday kitchen tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly to help me reach high times in the kitchen. The placement of the handle to lean on while climbing is a great height. It's also easy to fold up, the hinge works smoothly. Good quality, nice and sturdy, doesn't slip. This HBTower step ladder is a beast. Easy to put together, handrails, and very stable. The quality is superb and is built solid. The handrails I wasn't too sure about, but they work very well. Exactly as described. Safe and easy to use. I use mine for accessing the wall-mounted kitchen cupboards. They fold away and can be stored easily. Number 4. HBTower Folding Step Ladder. Introducing the HBTower Folding Step Ladder, your reliable partner for reaching new heights. It's designed for both convenience and safety in your home. Setting it up is a breeze, taking less than 10 minutes with no extra tools required. You'll be ready to use it in no time. Enjoy a comfortable and stable experience with its soft sponge-covered handrails and a convenient tool platform. It's especially friendly for seniors. With wide, anti-slip pedals and large rubber feet, it provides excellent heel-to-toe support and stays firmly in place. The non-slip hand grip ensures a secure climb. Built with a thickened steel frame and added metal support, this ladder offers a strong and reliable structure. The safety locking mechanism ensures it stays securely in place when in use. Despite its sturdy construction, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around wherever you need it. We're here to help with 24-hour friendly customer service. Contact us with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This option features a convenient built-in tool platform for your projects. The soft sponge-covered handrails provide extra comfort. If you're a DIY enthusiast or need a taller ladder with added comfort for longer tasks, consider this. What people say. Works perfectly to help me reach high times in the kitchen. The placement of the handle to lean on while climbing is a great height. It's also easy to fold up, the hinge works smoothly. Good quality, nice and sturdy, doesn't slip. This HBTower step ladder is a beast. Easy to put together, handrails, and very stable. The quality is superb and is built solid. Safe and easy to use. They fold away and can be stored easily. Number 3. MASHART 3-Step Folding Ladder. Introducing the MASHART 3-Step Folding Ladder, your perfect companion for reaching new heights. It's designed for convenience and safety in any room. This folding step stool is incredibly easy to use, opening and folding in seconds. Its ultra-slim profile allows for effortless storage and transport, making it ideal for any home. Safety is paramount with our extra-wide pedals, measuring 8 by 12 inches. The textured surface ensures a secure grip, providing stability and peace of mind for the whole family. Crafted from a high-quality iron structure, it's built to last. Despite its sturdiness, it remains lightweight for easy carrying between tasks. Equipped with non-slip feet, it offers enhanced stability and protects your floors from scratches. This ensures a safe and secure experience every time you use it. With its sturdy build and thoughtful design, it's perfect for both adults and children. Experience the convenience and safety it brings to your daily tasks. What we like. Boasting a robust 330 pounds load capacity, this step ladder is built for strength. Its wide pedals offer excellent stability. If you need a reliable and sturdy option for various household chores and appreciate a compact design for easy storage, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect for a small place. Light and looks elegant. Folds up nicely and has a very slim profile when folded, which is nice because I can strap it to my mall panel and it takes up almost no room, sits flat against the panel. Super easy to use, lightweight and relatively sturdy for what it is. It seemed very sturdy and, almost as important, it was completely flat when folded up. The stool is as sturdy as it seemed when I first encountered this model, and it does indeed fold flat, which makes it easier to stow than many other models. Number 2. Best Choice Products 3-Step Folding Ladder. Introducing a versatile 3-step ladder designed for all your household needs. It offers ample height and stability for any task. Crafted with a sturdy, anti-corrosive steel frame and reinforced with bracing rods, this ladder is built for durability and long-lasting use. Featuring 3 large, anti-slip steps and a padded hand grip, it provides secure support and helps you maintain balance with confidence. Its lightweight and foldable design, with a secure locking mechanism, makes it easy to set up, store, and transport wherever you need it. Keep your essential tools and supplies within reach with the built-in utility tray at the top. It's perfect for any home project. With a robust weight capacity of 330 pounds, this ladder is designed to handle demanding tasks safely and reliably. What we like. This step ladder comes with a handy built-in utility tray to keep your tools within reach. It also features a padded hand grip for added support. If you're tackling home projects and want to keep your essentials close by, this ladder is designed for your convenience. What people say. The step ladder is very sturdy and stable, making it safe to use. It's lightweight and easy to fold, so it doesn't take up much space when stored. The wide steps provide good grip and make climbing feel secure. Number 1. ACSTEP 2-Step Folding Ladder. Introducing our new folding ladder, crafted from a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame. It weighs just 8 pounds and folds incredibly thin, making it easy to store and carry anywhere. Enhance your home with its beautiful wood grain print, designed to complement any wood decor. It's not just a ladder, but also a stylish display stool when not in use. This ladder is equipped with anti-slip feet for enhanced stability and floor protection. The included handrail adds an extra layer of safety and support. Despite its light weight, it boasts a robust construction capable of supporting up to 330 pounds. You can rely on it for all your tasks. Perfect for reaching high shelves, decorating for holidays, or accessing ceiling fixtures. This versatile tool is designed to assist with all your home needs. Its ultra-slim folding design allows it to fit into the tightest spaces, like under the bed or in a corner, making storage a breeze. What we like. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, this ladder is incredibly easy to carry. Its attractive wood grain finish complements your home decor. If you're looking for a stylish, lightweight, and easy-to-maneuver ladder for quick access in your kitchen or for decorative purposes, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Very sturdy and fit in a very tight space for storage. Super stable, a breeze to fold up and lightweight to carry around to store. The ladder is very sturdy. This adds weight, but this ladder is so much safer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.